All right, guys, today is exciting. It's holiday time here in the shop. We got the Christmas tree set up, and we got sent a turntable to do a review on. We're really excited for that. This is from a newish company called Retro Life, and we are going to do a full unboxing. We're going to hook this baby up. We're going to listen to it and go over some of the features. Kind of do a full, honest review for you guys. We're hoping to become a dealer for these guys, but they were gracious enough to send us this model, and we're going to go over the whole thing. This is going to be exciting. I can't wait to see it. Well, let's check it out. All right, guys, so let's open this thing up. This is the model HQKZ006, and it's made by Retro Life. We actually had a couple of their all-in-one turntables. We did sell a couple in the store, and people seem to give us good feedback about them. And then we also gave a couple of those away in the store for some events we did. The one thing I wasn't crazy about on those, well, I mean, they're all-in-ones, right? We know they're not going to be great, but they don't have a counterweight, a proper counterweight. So there is some downfalls to them. The cartridges aren't great. So far, it looks like it's packed as it should be. Double boxed. Yeah. Nice matte finish on the box. That's kind of cool. So this is cool. You can convert your records to digital audio files. It does have a built-in phono preamp. It is belt driven. It does have what appears to be an Audio-Technica cartridge, which is pretty cool. It is 2-speed, not 3. Some of the all-in-ones claim 78 speed. This one is just 33 and 45. And it does have what appears to be a proper counterweight, which is cool. All right, let's open her up, see what we got. So far, the presentation is very well done. And for the price point, I feel like this is going to be a very nice option. I mean, this thing is packed really, really well. What you would expect from, let's say, a high-end consumer-grade turntable. And here I am. I'm going to rip the box trying to get this out, not intentionally. There we go. Okay, so the packaging is awesome. So far, excellent. Instruction manual, your little 45 insert, USB cable. I do like that. That's pretty cool. So you can digitize your records, which I don't really do because I prefer having the physical media. But having said that, instead of leasing my music from certain streaming companies, you can have your own digital copy and own it, which is cool. Nice aluminum platter. Well, I don't know that my desk is entirely flat, so I'm not going to use, I'm not going to judge that right now because the desk is more than likely not flat. It appears to be pretty flat though. Wow. This thing is gorgeous. This is the, I believe there's two finishes. I think there's a red and a brown. So the brown is what I would think is meant to be like a black walnut. Absolutely gorgeous so far. It is in fact an Audio-Technica cartridge. All right, guys, well, we got it all put together. Couple things I noticed. The knobs seem to be nice and clicky. They are what appears to be a chrome-plated plastic. They're not metal. The cartridge head shell is plastic, not metal. But I will say, overall, this thing really has impressed me. As soon as we plugged it in and turned it on, I have a set of Edifier Bluetooth speakers. I didn't have to do a thing. We were dropping the needle on the record for some footage and immediately played. I didn't have to even look in the manual to figure out the Bluetooth. It just automatically connected to my speakers, which I thought was great. A little surprising, but very cool. But the controls feel solid. It does have an Audio-Technica cartridge. The counterweight was a little stiff, but it's all workable, very workable. And I'll tell you, for a budget turntable, I'm super impressed. I didn't think I would be as impressed as I am, but overall, I think it's a great deck at a decent price point. So I would definitely suggest it. I love the Bluetooth feature because I didn't have to dig out a bunch of wires to wire it up to my system to listen to it. We were able to listen to a couple records. It sounds fantastic. It came with the Azimuth protractor, which was great. I do have to adjust it slightly, but it was pretty close from the factory. So yeah, overall, I mean, I'm super stoked. I think it's a real nice deck. It's got some weight to it. It's probably MDF or HDF, but the finish they put on this is fantastic. Super high gloss, like a piano lacquer finish. Fit and finish is amazing. For the price, I think anyone that wants a little bit of an upgrade on a budget deck would be super happy with this. I can't imagine they wouldn't be. So cool. Thank you, Retro Life. And like I said, we're going to be working on carrying this in the store. And we'll talk to you guys next time. See you around. Don't forget to give us the thumbs up, like this video, and ring the bell. It gives you notifications when we release videos. I have to apologize in advance. We haven't released a video in forever. But I want to thank all you guys for still remaining subscribers, and hopefully some of this new content will be something you guys enjoy. All right, so we'll talk to you soon, guys. Have great holidays. We'll see you around.